Today I will teach you how to open a Padlet board. You go to padlet.com and you sign up. You click on sign up, it's free, and you complete the information. You can sign up with Google, Facebook, or Microsoft. After you're in, you can click on make a Padlet. When you're in, you want to click on this modify, and here you can choose your background, a name, a description of the board, a theme, font style, symbols, and the most important thing to choose is this comments. You want to turn it on so people can comment on each other's posts, reactions, so people can do likes, vote, star, or grade each other's posts. When you're done, you want to share this with your students. So the way you do this is you click on share, and here you want to do either private, password protected, secret, or public. It's best to do public unless there is sensitive information or pictures of students. And you also want to make sure you have those with access can write and not just read. You can do password protected and then give a password. When you're done, you want to send this link to your students, and then they will be able to get in. When they're in, they need to click on the plus sign and add their inputs. They can add a picture here, a link, upload anything at all, and that's it.